Oh my gosh, it's written off. It's a Cat S. Nah, I don't want it. I'm taking it scrap. What is this shit? Balloons, balloons. You can tell we're in Essex. Get all that out the shot. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. You may be wondering where all the footage has gone, where's the content? Well, as the thumbnail says, yeah, a couple of people have bumped into my car. You may look at it now thinking, what is he on about? There's nothing wrong with it. I will grab the camera shortly and show you the intricate areas that have been hit. However, yeah, there's been no videos due to a couple of mishaps, not due to me and my driving skills. You know, my name's Lewis, so yeah, I'm kind of like Hamilton, but not like Hamilton this year, no disrespect. But yeah, all jokes aside, yeah, there's been a couple of things that have happened to the car, which has caused me a bit of a setback in doing what I want to do with the car. I've now owned it for coming up 20 months, so yeah, year and a half. There's been a couple times where I thought, you know, I'm gonna sell the car, and then as it comes to the crunch on the day of selling it, I just can't. You know, the recipe of this vehicle, it being an F21 3-door 1 Series small compact, and it having that, you know, the famous B58 straight 6 twin scroll turbo. With the LSD on this one, I can't seem to let it go, because replacing it, the only thing I can replace it with is, in my opinion, is M3 F80 or M4, or the G80 or G81 Touring. They're the only two other cars I'd want, because I do have an Audi RS6 C7.5, which will be back very soon. I've had a very up and down situation with that being restored and rebuilt, so that's another video. But yeah, onto this. The reason this has been delayed, it got hit. I'll put some, you know what, I'll put some clips up as I walk around. I'll give you a walk around now of what I mean and whatever. Yeah, and these are the reasons why I've been away for quite a bit, really. Yeah, let's get showing you around the car. Yep, so here we go. Walking up to the car firstly. Yeah, some guy in a motorbike decided to come through a giveaway road where he had to give way to me. Didn't reduce his speed and just clumped into the side of my car. I think as he noticed it was a bit too late, he pressed the brake. It must have been the rear brake, because his bike just slid from underneath him, and then the bike just slid into my car, and it literally took big gouges out of my alloy there. Smashed it up there as well. I'll put some photographs up now of the damage of this wing, how bad it was, because it has been replaced since it happened, and the door has been replaced too. Hasn't been to the body shop to have any paint work done. I just bought another wing on eBay, and I bought a door, had them fitted. The images you can see now on the screen, yeah, he hit this hard. You know, I was so shocked when it happened. I thought, oh, the car's written off. To be honest, my first thoughts was seeing him, because he bounced off the car because it was coming from this way. I'll get some clips, images of the street where he pulled out from, the road where he pulled out from. Yeah, he's literally hit it, and he's just gone bang and just slid. He just slid like 30, 40 yards up the road. I thought, is he dead? But yeah, no, he was all right. He got up and all that, and yeah, he was a young boy. He was like, I think he was like 18, 19. He was going, oh my God, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I just said, are you all right? You know what I mean? I had to check his arms and back and legs and whatever to make sure he had no ambulance, see if he needed an ambulance. Literally, by the looks of these pictures, I thought my car was written off and finished. There is a bit of a crease on the back here. Don't know if you can see around about here. Yeah, you got that. And then to top it off, about 3 weeks after, why is it not focusing? About 3 weeks after, I've gone to football. I'm playing six-a-side football, as I usually do once a week, and I've come out to this. I don't know if you can see it, It's dented and rippled. I've just come out to this. Great. You can imagine how annoyed and frustrating that is after the other side got hit a month before. So yeah, all these little bits have just made me not want to really upload videos because it don't look how I want it to look. So yeah, that was the walk around, showing you the bits and bobs, what's happened to the car over the last, what, I'd say 3-4 months. I haven't really put nothing up, no videos. I hope you appreciated the update. Yeah, I'm gonna try and put 2 to 3 videos up minimum a month to do with this. Any bits and bobs that I do to it, give you guys some good content to see, and yeah, follow my journey with how the B58 treats me, you know, as a car, in case, I don't know, there's some people that haven't got a B58 and look into other people's journeys to see if it's the platform they want, you know, as there's all the other platforms, you know. Mercedes have got the 45Ss, Audi with the RS3s, you know, the Daza is just, it's a legendary engine, you know. So yeah, if you should want to stick around and see my journey with this car, and you're new and you've just seen this, yeah, consider subscribing, and I'll push on for the content. Stay tuned, see what's next. Take care, bye.